Now we can open up your DXF from SolidWorks into TorchMate. We're going to use EDUS TorchMate. Go to File, Import. Go to your drive and find your file. Looking for your DXF. Import. That little right angle is just asking you to place it somewhere. It doesn't matter where. Click anywhere on the screen. You do not want closed shapes selected, so make sure that box is empty. And click OK. When we export from SolidWorks, it brings with it some random text saying that it's an educational version. We just need to replace font, go to selected fonts, and double click. It doesn't matter what we have, because we're just going to deselect. It was like this. Deselect over here. Select anything you don't want, which is the SolidWorks Educational Edition, and delete it. Otherwise, it'll try and cut it out. Now we have to work our way. Oh, excuse me, we have to place it now. Select everything, and let's place this down in the lower left-hand corner of our area. You can see it lights up pink, and place it. Now we can work our way from the inside out. If you work your way from the outside in, that outside square will turn black and you won't be able to see anything. Select your letters, go to Arrange, and connect path. The path should be at least 10/1000ths of an inch. Here's a little more. Click OK. It should turn black. You can now assign a toolpath to it. You have three options: male or outside, female or inside, and on the line, which is on the line. For your text, we're going to use female to get on the inside of your letters. Now you can go to this middle line. Holding Shift, you can select all the lines and work your way around. Now that you have them all selected, Arrange, Connect Path, and OK. This one will be on the line. Select on the line. Now you can select all the outside lines. Again, Arrange, Connect Path, OK, and this one will be male. You've just connected all your lines and you've assigned toolpaths to everything. Selected, go to File, Save As, and save this file again into your network drive. Make sure you name this with the word toolpath in it. That way you know whose it is, what it is, and that it has toolpaths, because it will be an EDU drawing. And click Save. Once you're done with this, discuss your drawing with Mr. Mink, and you will be ready to cut.